Welcome to Lesson 2, students. In this lesson, we will focus on the instructional strategy of cross-linguistic connections. Cross-linguistic connections consist of 4 components: phonology, morphology, syntax, and pragmatics. The first component of cross-linguistic connections is phonology. Phonology is the letter-sound correspondence of language. There are similarities and differences between the English and Spanish language. For example, there are some letter sounds that are the same in both English and Spanish, such as the letters B, D, F, L, S. Now there is also differences. For instance, the letter H is silent in Spanish, and in English it does make a sound. The next component is morphology. Morphology deals with the word formation aspect of language. Morphology addresses specifically the prefixes and suffixes in both languages. For example, the word inform has the prefix in, which has the same meaning as the word informar in Spanish. Then we have the third component, which is syntax and grammar. Syntax and grammar is the structure of language. This includes aspects of punctuation marks and gender-specified articles. An example is that in Spanish, the article switches from el to la when the noun is gender specified, and in the English language, we just use the word the. Now we have come to the last component of cross-linguistic connections, which is pragmatics. Pragmatics is the language used in cultural norms. For example, in Spanish, we use the word usted to address an older individual out of respect, and we use the word tú to address in a more casual conversation. In the English language, this does not exist.
Created using Powtoon.